Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I was doing a live stream and one of you guys brought up a really good question, and that is, can you get the Super Freek scales onto a regular Freek? And vice versa. Now the size, they're both the same size overall, and that's one of the questions today that we're going to try to answer. So I'm going to take these apart and we're going to see how these fit and if you can do it. The hardest thing is probably going to be, because from looking at everything, the liners and everything else looks about the same, width and everything else, is going to be your back spacer. Your back spacers versus your barrel spacers. And the problem you're going to run into is, will they line up internally? So it looks like screws are in the same spot. Obviously you can't see this screw because it's underneath the clip, but it's in the same spot as the one on the Super Freek. So might be able to get a swap out that way, but I'm going to take them apart and we'll find out. All right, we're back. So what we've already been able to determine is the back spacer on your standard one is actually built into one of the scales. So without grinding it off, you're probably not going to be able to pop that over. But it leads to the other question of is, can you put this whole insert of the liners and everything into the other one? Now, one of the things I will note with this Super Freek is that these barrel spacers are slide on to some posts that are pressed in. So that's something that's going to be a little bit different than normal. But the barrel spacers slide right off. If you need to clean them, whatever, just a little anodized aluminum. But the studs on there are pretty solid. So, yeah. So that's one thing to note. So you're probably, without, going through tons of trouble of grinding this down, getting these studs out and trying to put them in through on this side, I just don't think you're going to be able to get it because there's no holes over here for those to go through. Now, will these line up? Sure. But trying to get that built-in back spacer that's on there, not going to make it happen. So you could do some modifications to try to make it all fit. If you want to get the regular ones on there, because they all line up the same, as you can see, the liners and everything else, but the problem is going to be getting those studs drilled out enough to fit through there. But if you want to take the studs completely out and do a full swap, which I know some of you guys were thinking about, and which one of the questions that came up, then, sorry, just trying to clean that one off. I'll do that when we're done. But you could totally do a tear down and, try to put it all on this one. So you could take this one apart, move them over. Yeah, so it is possible with some light modifications. But if you're solely just looking to do a liner and blade swap, it's possible 100%. Everything's same size, same liners, same everything. So those all match up. I'm trying to move these without getting cut, but these all match up 100%. So same to same size wise from the Super Freek to the regular Freek. So if you want to do a blade swap or something like that, that is definitely something you could do. Then you can keep your M4 coated blade off to the side or install it inside of these. You just wouldn't be able to do a straight scale swap without moving around your, actually pressing these out. They should press back in. I've done that before. on a different Super Freek, and it worked out okay. You just have to use the right tools so you don't mess it up. So anyways, hopefully that answers your questions. If you have anything else question-wise about these, they have different screw lengths as well. In the regular Freek, the two center ones for the center scales are shorter, and then the longer ones on this side, these two are the two longer ones there. And then over here, your longer ones are actually going to be in the center and in the top. So a little bit different, but yeah, hardware's almost the same, but a little tiny different when you're doing the swap. So just be mindful of that. Again, thanks for the great question. Hope this works, and let me know down in the comments if you have any other questions about this. Thanks again. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, do something kind for someone, and take care.